Hello everyone, welcome to Satyakarthik Vlogs. In this video I am going to tell you a complete review on Realme X2. This is a 6GB RAM product which is having 128GB memory. And the original MRP of this product is 19,000. I got it for 17,500 in Flipkart. So let's get started. I am dividing this video into two parts, which is pros and cons. Now I will tell you the pros. The major pro in this phone is it is having a 6.4 inch Super AMOLED display. If you are having a multimedia user, you will have an amazing experience, and you can also see more vibrant colors from this panel. And the viewing angles and sunlight visibility is really good in this phone. Now coming to the second pro, it is having a Whoop charger. In the box we got a 30-watt Whoop charger, so we can charge our phone completely in 1 hour 20 minutes. And there is no heavy heating issue during the charging, thanks to Whoop technology. Coming to the third pro, which is the battery backup. Since we got a 4000 mAh battery, we can easily get 1.5 days with normal usage and 1 full day with heavy usage. And the screen on time is 8 hours. Coming to the camera quality, so the rear camera we are having a 4 cameras on the back side, which is a 64 megapixel normal camera and 8 megapixel wide angle camera and 2 megapixel micro camera and another 2 megapixel bokeh camera. The back camera performance in the daytime is really good, but there are some warmer tones. And also coming to the night time, there is no noise capturing in the photos during the night time. Coming to the video department, the video quality is really good with good stabilization at 1080p. Coming to the front camera, we are having a 32 megapixel shooter which will take good photos. But there are some cons which I will explain in the cons section. Coming to the fifth pro, the audio quality from 3.5mm headphone jack, which is really amazing since it is having a Dolby Atmos technology. There are many options, we can utilize it more effectively. Coming to the sixth pro, it is having a good gaming experience. The phone is having a Snapdragon 730G processor which built on 8nm technology, and the GPU is Adreno 618. I have played PUBG for half an hour with heavy graphics. There is no lags and the gaming performance is pretty good, and the heat dissipation in this phone is very less. And the maximum heat obtained during gaming is 42 or 43 degrees centigrade. Coming to the 7th pro, the face unlock and the in-display fingerprint, which is super fast and more accurate than other phones in this price range. And also the fingerprint ID, which is an in-display technology, so it is somewhat faster than the other phones like Samsung. Coming to the 8th pro, the call quality and the signal reception, which is really good and there is no call drops while using the phone. And coming to the build quality, it is having a Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the back side and the front side. I have chosen the Pearl White variant, which is having a gradient color on the back side, so it looks really amazing during night time. Now coming to the last pro, there is no hybrid slot in this phone, so you can use 2 nano SIMs and 1 micro SD card at a time. These are the pros in this phone. Coming to the cons, the front camera quality, it will capture more softer colors and less details, so Realme need to improve it by giving a camera update. And also the bokeh shots with a front camera, it will capture more softer colors, and also the backside bokeh is somewhat unnatural. Coming to the wide angle photos which are captured from the rear camera, that less details are obtained with these photos, so Realme should concerned about it. And coming to the last con in this phone is the speaker quality. The speaker quality is okay, but we should improve it more. That's it friends. These are the pros and cons in this phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.